So I've been checking every single day, waiting for the March, update to come to the Surface Duo 1 and 2. And I might be waiting forever because it doesn't seem like we're going to get a March Surface Duo 1 or 2 update. And this might be the end. Again, this could possibly come out in the next couple of days. They still have, 6 more days of March before March is over with. But usually it does come out the 18th of every single month. So this is, weirdly to say, unlike Microsoft, where they actually, that's the one thing they have been very consistent on, in giving us a monthly update. Even though if we go back through the monthly updates, it has been, Security Bulletin, January Security Bulletin, December of last year was actually the big update because Android 12L was breaking for a lot of people, so they gave us an actual update to that. November was Security Bulletin. The October update was when we actually got the Android 12L, and we got the pen menu update and stuff like that, which was actually cool. But then going back farther than that, Security Bulletin, and then so on and so on. Again, we did get a couple good updates last year when it came to monthly updates. But mainly, they have been Security Bulletin updates. So is that it? Are we just not going to get any more Security Bulletin updates? Is Microsoft's just done with this phone? In my opinion, I'm surprised we got updates this far in. They discontinued the Surface Duo 2. Stopped selling it on their website. Well, it's still technically up, but it's always sold out. They're done with these phones, guys. They're done with the Duo 1 and Duo 2. That's why I said I highly doubted that we were going to get a Android 13 to a Surface Duo 1 and 2. Because of the fact that it's over with. They moved on to the Surface Duo 3, and whether or not they launch it is still up in the air. But if they do launch it, it's going to be a one-screen phone. It's no longer going to be a 360-degree phone. It's now going to be a 180-degree phone that just has, a one foldable display. They're no longer going to be giving us what they've given us for so long, which is that, unique experience. So, I really do not think we're going to get another update. It's very possible, Microsoft absolutely shocks me here and comes out with a crazy updates, gives us crazy stuff, but I really highly doubt it. And I think really at this point, Microsoft's kind of in the boat of saying, what's the point of keep just giving them Security Bulletin updates for a product that we really do not support anymore? This is a product that, at one point they cared about, right? But it was a flop. It failed. So to spend more time, effort, and money, even though, yes, obviously you have consumers like myself who still owns the Surface Duo 1 and 2 and want to see updates, there's still people who have these as their daily drivers. But for a multi-billion-dollar company like Microsoft, I just think they don't care anymore. And there's no real reason for them to care, right? It's not like they're selling the product. They're not making any money. Every dollar right now if anyone buys a Surface Duo 1 and 2, right? Microsoft does get some kickback. They don't get any kickback. I was going to say they do, but they kind of don't because they sold their inventory to different sellers like Amazon or Best Buy or wherever, Walmart. They already sold that. They already made their money from selling their inventory. So every dollar is made from the Surface Duo 1 and 2 now. Microsoft doesn't get any of that money. So them updating this product is them updating a product that they don't make any money off of. And if you know anything about Microsoft, that's all they really care about is that bottom line in that, dollar bill. So I just don't see us getting much of anything. And again, even Security Bulletin, which was nice to just see that Microsoft gave us some type of updates, but I don't expect to see anything else the rest of this, time period. And this might be the official it's over for Microsoft with the Surface Duo lineup. The Surface Duo 1 and 2, that is. Which would be really disappointing for the 2. The Duo 1, listen, okay? I'm thankful we got updates as long as we did. I'm thankful we got content as long as we did out of it. But, at the end of the day, it was the Duo 1 is, at this point, 3 years old. So I get that. But the Duo 2 is really disappointing because that is the, updated version. That's the phone that right now, until Microsoft releases the Duo 3, that is their flagship device. That is their flagship phone. And the fact that we, still at this moment in time don't have we're still not getting updates for it is quite disappointing. We see Google, we see Samsung, they have came out and said that they're going to give us 4 years of updates to our Samsung products, to our Google products. Oppo has made that same claim. So to see Microsoft now 3 years into the Surface Duo lineup, Duo 1, 2 years into the Duo 2, kind of saying, listen, we're done. We don't want to give any more updates. We don't want to add many more features. Again, it's just disappointing. It is just disappointing. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, Microsoft's going to be moved on to bigger and better things with the Duo 3. Or not. Again, like I said, it's not even confirmation we're going to get a Duo 3. It has been speculated based on what we understand and what we think they're going to do. But I don't think anyone in the tech industry could ever predict Microsoft at this point. No one could predict how Microsoft moves, their next move. It's like we're playing chess with them, and they're playing Russian roulette. There's no predicting their next movement. They do things that will like, really? You really did that? You did this? You did, what was your thought process? And Microsoft's thought process is, we didn't think, we just did. So, I don't know. It's like I'm disappointed, but I'm not, right? It's like I'm disappointed, but I kind of expected this whole thing to go the way it did. And now that it has gone the way it did, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I am thankful that they did bring us the Surface Duo 1 and 2 because these phones have been the greatest joy of my life. I don't have kids, so I can't say that. My kids are the greatest joy of my life. So, these phones have been the greatest joy of my life to really talk about. And again, if we do get a Duo 3, we'll be talking about that up and down the wall. I will be picking up a Duo 3, by the way. Not many smartphones whenever they come out, I automatically pick up. I automatically pick up the Galaxy phone every single year. Galaxy Z Fold phone, Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5. I'm automatically picking that up, okay? No matter what. Other than that, I'm not picking up the Pixel Fold. I think that's going to be a bust. Surface Duo 3 I'm picking up. So, whenever Microsoft decides that it's time to launch it and give us it, your boy's going to be picking up a Duo 3. Hopefully it ends up being a lot better than we expected. And we're talking about how amazing that phone is in the future. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.